Hi everyone, it's Lorena from Tefal, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite recipes, a zucchini slice. Now this is a great recipe because it's made with ingredients you have on hand. Really nice and easy. And I'm going to be using our Ingenio cookware today, which is my favorite set that Tefal makes. Because of the detachable handle, it makes it really versatile and really compact. So it can fit on a shelf and can fit in a drawer, but it does everything and it goes everywhere. So in this particular set, you get 3 saucepan lids. You get 3 what we call hermetic lids, which are airtight, liquid-tight lids that turn your saucepans into storage containers. You receive 3 saucepans, a small, medium, and large. And you receive your 2 fry pans, a small and a large, with a beautiful non-stick coating. So today I'm going to be using the large fry pan to make our zucchini slice. Super, super easy. So we're going to just put all the ingredients in the bowl. So I've got a cup of self-raising flour. I've got about 200 grams of bacon, chopped up. I've got 5 eggs, slightly whisked. A cup of cheese, you can use any cheese you like. And then we've got a couple of zucchinis sliced. And what I like to do in my zucchini slice is actually put some carrot in there too, just to give it some color. So just 1 carrot, shredded. And then you can use onion, but I like to use scallions or green onions, so that gives it a bit of a sweeter taste, and in that goes. So give that all a good stir. All right, so that's nice and mixed. Again, you can use any veggie you like, whatever you've got in the fridge. You can add some broccoli or peas if you like. Frozen peas are always nice. And in it goes into your large Ingenio fry pan. We don't have to put any oil in it, okay? That's just going to, because it's a non-stick surface. So nice and easy, flatten that out. And now your fry pan is going to become your baking dish. So we're going to pop that in the oven. And all we do is put our detachable handle on it, and that's going to go into a 170-degree oven for about half an hour till it gets nice and crusty on the top, and then we can serve it straight onto the table. All right, so that is beautiful and golden. So we're going to let that cool, and then we're just going to literally just slip it straight onto the board and slice it straight to the table.